A company gives annual performance bonuses. The bonus in the 8th year is 320,000 pesos, and each year's bonus is twice the previous year's bonus. What was the bonus given in the first year? So you can work backward here. You can have on the 8th year, that is 320,000. So it is twice. So on the 7th year, it's just 160,000. On the 6th year, it's just 80,000. On the 5th year, 40,000. On the 4th year, 20,000. On the 3rd year, 10,000. On the 2nd year, 5,000. So on the first year, 2,500. So it's just easy to work backwards if our what you call this ratio is a whole number. It's easy to divide or multiply. But of course, if it's not, we have to use our calculator and we use the formula. So if we use the formula here, a sub n equals a sub 1 r to the n minus 1, we have a sub n is 320,000. A sub 1 is unknown. Common ratio is 2 because it's twice. And then n minus 1 is 8 minus 1 because it's on the 8th year. So we will have 320,000 plus a sub 1 times 8 minus 1 is 7. 2 to the 7 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That will give us 128. And divide by 128, and you will get a sub 1 equals 320,000 divided by 128 is 2,500. So indeed, it's 2,500. So what was the bonus given in the first year? Just started with 2,500. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!